Hello guys and welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be showing you how can you sign up on FlyBuys. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to sign up, you just simply have to open this FlyBuys application at very first, and after doing that you will get to see this Join FlyBuys option. Just simply tap into that option and it will lead you to a new extension of the web browser that you use into your mobile phone. Now just simply tap to this create account button, and after doing this much you can choose which form of rewards that you want to use into FlyBuys. Just simply select any of the suitable option and then tap to confirm your choice. Then after that, check this box and continue. And now you have to enter your first name and last name at very first, then enter the email address and you will get the confirmation link or code into that email address, and enter your date of birth after that accordingly. And then you will get to see the option to select your gender. Then after that you have to add your home address into this box. Then just simply enter your contact number into the last box and click to continue. Let me do this process very quick. Now FlyBuys will give you the option of creating the username into the top, then enter the password into the second box. Then after filling up all these details, click to save and continue. And after doing this, your account will easily be created into the FlyBuys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.